What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel Fishing with Norby. If you haven't seen my channel or if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button for me, hit the thumbs up. We're doing some fishing today on Lake Guntersville. Beautiful day out here, and we're putting a video out every single day in November. So this video is going to be about schooling fish. We're chasing bait, we're chasing shad, and in turn, that's where the bass are. So we're fishing baits that mimic the bait, the shad, threadfin, gizzard shad. Usually the little threadfins are schooling out right now, so we're going to throw MO rigs, traps, swim baits, anything to get these fish to bite. But something else cool, if you guys are looking for apparel for Christmas, go fishingwithnorby.com. Get you some apparel. We got some shirts, hats, hoodies, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's start fishing. It's gonna be fun. Got him. Wants to need it. Crushed it. He crushed it. That's cool. He ate the side one though, not the middle white one. Noted. Might not want that bright white one. Got him. That's a nice one. That's a striper. Big old striper. Couldn't get him to bite anything, so I put on a blade bait and I catch a striper. Maybe they're not largies. Good one, got one. There we go. We're hooked up, guys. On the A-rig. On the A-rig. We got us a good one. Oh yeah, that's a stud. Alright. That's a stud. Woo! Yeah. Oh man. Woo! That's a good one right there, guys. Big and 4.5 pounder. Thanks for biting, buddy. There's one. All right, another one. Oh, he's small. I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, what a giant. Oh man, he about took it out of my hand. That's a good fish, whatever it is. Whew, man, I got something good on. I might hook something in the back. It is good though. Whew. Oh, I hooked a catfish in the tail. Wow. I wonder if about took the rod out of my hand. Wow. There's one. Boom. Another little guy. There's one. Got him. All right, another one. Well, sun is going down. It was a nice little short outing. Caught one really good one on the Bama rig, a few other little ones, a nice striped bass, I think. That was sweet. You don't catch too many of those here on Lake Guntersville. Caught him on a little blade bait, but I couldn't make them bite. They were busting everywhere for a while, and I just couldn't make them bite. There were so many shad. It's like, why would a fish eat a little bait over 50,000 shad that are right there? They can open their mouth and chase them and fill up in one bite. That's how many shad were there. So we moved, caught a few more, moved again, caught a few more, but no big ones. The big ones just hang out, those big shad balls. I mean, why wouldn't they? So had a blast. Sun is going down. It is beautiful. God is good to us. Remember, another video coming at you tomorrow. Subscribe for more. Hope you learned a little something. Just a short little outing today, but had a blast. God bless you. We'll catch you on the next episode here at Fishing with Norby.